This is the tool which every craftsman needs to own. Some people call it renovating tool, others oscillating or multi-tool. The working mechanism is very simple. The spindle is oscillating like so, so on the tip of the blade you get this very fast sawing effect. The cutting object needs to be steady, otherwise it will wiggle with the saw. Because of that, this tool is pretty much safe. But it is a bad idea to touch the working blade. A perfect tool for most renovating projects. In some places, this is the only tool for the clean cut. And in some cases, you can save a lot of time using this tool. Main things to look at before buying one. The most important is the oscillation angle. Somewhere above 3 degrees total is good enough. The bigger number, the faster it cuts. Next, make sure that you have the option to regulate the speed. Usually all good brands have that feature. Then you need power. If you need a corded tool, then the more watts, the more pressure it can handle. When you already have a battery system, then cordless is a better choice. 18V can produce more power than 10.8V. If you have both battery platforms, then my recommendation is to buy smaller 10.8V tool. In practice, you probably need multi-tool for small cuts, and most likely you will not work with it all day. So carrying a smaller renovator in your tool bag is more reasonable. There are many different blades for multi-tool. For a start, I suggest you to buy something like that from China. It costs something around 20 euros and you get a really nice organizer with many different blades. By the time when you learn that tool better, you can upgrade these cheap blades to 10 times more expensive quality blades. This setup is good for beginners. Here you have a bunch of blades for wood and soft materials, but for metals you have only one blade. Probably the first upgrade is some quality metal cutting blade. Also there are scrapers, then sanding pad for concrete, for grout, sanding pad for wood and sanding papers, a lot of, and some another different blades for wood and plastic. A lot of stuff for 20 euros. Changing the blades is really simple. With many models there are just bolts to secure them. Please do not tighten like so. You can damage the inserts despite tighten holding the blade like so. Some tools have this quick release system, which I don't like. It gives the tool extra weight with size, and for example this model don't have lightning here because of that. Sometimes you need to use that tool in tight and dark places, so light is a must-have thing. Makita's model DTM51 doesn't have lightning here, but model DTM50 has. The newest brushless model DTM52 doesn't fit these old standard blades. They use some new Starlock system, which is more expensive. That is why I suggest to buy DTM50 or this TM30, which uses smaller 10.8V batteries. So this was my short overview of this interesting tool. There are many different places where you can use that. This tool has helped me out several times, so I always carry that with my driver drill. In the description I have Amazon links for oscillating saws and an Aliexpress link for this cheap blade kit. So happy shopping and bye!